more so doing it.
Okay, breathe in. Okay, breathe in. Breathe in.
I'll breathe in again.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Fucker. That hurt. That wasn't bad. The last girl who did it, man, that shit hurt. You didn't hurt it at all. I mean, I felt it, but it wasn't like bad.
It's because I'm good.
Now you gotta do my nipples.
Okay, now you're just going to feel pressure.
Why is that bleeding for the scar tissue?
No, I'm just saying you're going to feel pressure.
Look, you are so yummy. I want to be.
Ah, stop, dude.
I'm gonna stop it now.
Okay.
Done! Woo!